Welcome to week 8 of Anatomy and Physiology. I want to say a big congratulations to those of you who are working very hard in the class. You have studied hard for your midterm lab exam and your midterm lecture exam, and you've been really on it. And thank you so much for that. Now, if you have not scored the way that you would like to score on your exams, I need you to think about a few things. Are you actually studying enough? As I told you at the beginning of the course, you need to be studying about 15 hours each week for this class. And so for the midterm lab, remember now I gave you a study guide and the test came exactly from that study guide. So make sure that you are working from modules and you actually see all of the materials that I have provided for you. I recorded a Zoom meeting that we had, and I went over many of the test questions that you needed to know. Again, so many of you did really well, but I just want you to think, if you're not doing what you would like to be doing in the class, make sure that you are using all of the resources that I have provided for you. So this week, week 8, you're going to be working from chapter 6 module. And when you go here, always click on modules, go to the modules so that you can see everything that is provided. Each week I move the module to the top of the modules page, and you see chapter 6. We're talking about the skin, the integumentary system here. And you will have all of your notes, lecture materials, and tutorials. You've got a chapter 6 lecture assignment, chapter 6 lecture quiz, and then you've got your lab 7, which is on the skin, lab 7, that you need to do homework and the quiz, and you were told to get this done before your lab exam actually. If you're not able to do that, make sure that you say that it is due by Sunday night, March 17th. So you still have another chance to actually do this by Sunday night. I am going to post the recording of the chapter 6 notes. Please listen to that. And if you do listen, please let me know that you've actually listened to that recording. Thank you very much. Remember, you've got to work hard in order to reach your goals. You not only have to remember all of this information for your lab final and lecture final for this class, but you're going to have to know this most definitely in your programs in the future, such as nursing. All right, have a great day. Thank you.